DGeo is front and center for helping the customers. What we are really good at is because we've been in the manufacturing side of it, we understand the nuances of implement of change. For an example, when looking at a container type and a closure system, what we try to look at is the whole picture. And what I mean by that is there may be a glass container that has a certain type of closure system. What we can do is work with our suppliers to see if we can adapt that same closure system to your poly container to reduce the number of components and parts that are used in the warehouse or in the facility of manufacturing, and also make sure that the tools that are used are interchangeable from container to container to help streamline that whole process.
In the past, I was just sitting with a client here earlier today, and they were like, hey, I need a solution for packaging, but I know you can't help me with warehousing, and I know you can't help with logistics. And then we had a conversation, and I'm like, well, what do you need from that perspective? And they're like, well, what do you mean? What do you mean, what do I need? You've never been able to help me in the past. Well, with things changing, with DGEO's new environment, we're actually able to offer solutions that our current customers didn't know we were able to do. And it's actually going to be a game changer for them as they look at how they expand their networks and how we can partner together to help that expansion.
What I enjoy about working with DGeo is the enthusiasm of safety. Both myself and my company and DGeo really care about the safety of dangerous goods shipments that are going on an airplane, on a truck, and on a vessel in the ocean. Caring about the safety of workers and the general public is shared by my company and DGeo, and that's very important. And the energy that comes with it and the satisfaction that we're helping keeping society safe is really the reason I like to work with DGeo.